Hello mga kapochi! Alam nyo ba kung gaano kahirap talagang labanan si melasma? Kapag pinabayaan mo, talagang kakalat yan sa muka at magmumukha kang mapa. Pero good news, may solusyon na tayo dyan. Thanks to Revlite treatment from House of Obagi, ito na talaga ang sagot sa matagal nating dasal. For those who are not familiar, Revlite is a laser treatment designed to lighten dark spots, even out skin tone, and give you that natural glow, parang instant Photoshop pero sa totoong buhay. Siyempre, sinamahan ko rin ito ng Obagi Skincare Products para tuloy-tuloy ang glow up journey ko. At ang resulta, flawless, filter-free skin at confidence level na abot langit. Kaya kung sawa ka ng gumamit ng iba't ibang produkto na wala namang visible results, it's time to level up your skincare game. Subukan mo na rin ang Revlite treatment sa House of Obagi. Who knows, baka ikaw na ang next class skin goals ng barkada. Good thing they have several branches nationwide. Meron sila sa Alabang Town Center, Ayala Mall sa 30th, Greenbelt 5 Green Hills, Mandaluyong, Robinson's Place, Ermita, Trinoma Vertis North, at Marquee Mall, Angeles, Pampanga na pinuntahan natin ngayon. So ano pang iniintay mo? Hindi lang pang K-drama ang kutis porcelana. You also deserve it. Time to invest in yourself and achieve that radiant, even-toned skin you've always dreamed of. Thank you for watching my vlog. Don't forget to like, follow, and leave your comments or suggestions for my next content. I'll see you next time. Stay glowing and confident. Bye!